Hello, my name's Charlotte from Honda Bolton, and today I'll be taking you around this used vehicle.
Take a look at this fantastic yet unique buy. We do have the Toyota Auris Hybrid fresh in our stock. It does come with an efficient automatic transmission and complemented by this gorgeous metallic blue finish. As a 2015 model, it does come with a full up-to-date service history with its next due in October this year. Along with your 1.8 petrol hybrid engine, it is the ideal eco-friendly alternative. Top features do include your parking camera and parking sensors, along with your 17-inch alloy wheels. You do also have a full glass panoramic sunroof, along with your LED daytime running headlights. There is plenty of space in your boot area with a fitted parcel shelf, so ideal for all your day-to-day items. In your rear interior, you will find a part leather part cloth finish with a handy pull-down armrest and two integrated cup holders. And as we move into your front interior features, you will find your full leather multifunctional steering wheel, which does sit alongside your central touch display screen. You do have plenty of storage pockets belonging just underneath your armrest, which does divide your two front part leather part cloth seats, once again very comfortable. And to seamlessly control your vehicle, you do have your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel, which does include your paddle just behind for your cruise control feature. You do also have your options to navigate around your cockpit screen to display things on here, such as your energy levels, fuel consumption or mileage, etc. Moving across into your central touch display, you will find all your general information on there, including plenty of audio options, as you do have your FM, DAB and AM signals and plenty to choose from. If you do wish to listen to your own preferred audio, you do have a built-in CD player just above, and of course your Bluetooth connections gain access to all your vital car apps. This vehicle does come with your built-in satellite navigation, so very handy in those unfamiliar areas. It will give you your points of interest and your traffic updates, so plenty of help in those busier periods as well. You do have your car information on here, including your energy monitor and a trip computer, so all your vital car information that you need to know. And just below, you do have your main controls for your climate option, including your front and rear heated windscreen. Following this, you do have your two front heated seat options with a high and low temperature control, followed by several power outlets and of course your automatic gear controls. You do also have your options to drive an Econ if you are feeling a bit more efficient.
For further information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01204 827 906 or inquire online now.